The Association of Financial Educators is a 501c3 nonprofit organization with a mission of promoting financial literacy. Since 2011, our members have educated hundreds of thousands of people from every industry imaginable. They do this to give back to their communities, create brand awareness and goodwill, and build relationships with business owners, key decision makers, and individuals. Our nationwide network of specialists includes financial advisors, tax attorneys, CPAs, insurance and real estate agents, financial coaches and consultants, and more. As part of a nonprofit organization in partnership with the federal government, AFE members easily establish credibility and accountability while enjoying exposure to a continually expanding pool of potential clients. Our nonprofit mission is to end financial illiteracy by educating as many individuals as possible. We do this by matching our members with a wide range of organizations and businesses in their communities that are actively seeking financial education. As a member of AFE, we position you as an expert in your community and in your field, enabling you to build trust and rapport rather than coming across as another salesperson. By leveraging our relationships, we allow you to do what you do best: provide sound financial advice and build lasting relationships while growing your practice. AFE understands that financial professionals are bound to strict laws, industry standards, and ethical guidelines. As such, we're a nationally approved vendor for dozens of broker-dealers and RIAs, and regionally approved for hundreds. We are always happy to work with a member's individual compliance officer or team to create a program that works within your guidelines. AFE offers 3 different annual memberships to choose from to suit a variety of professional needs. All 3 levels include access to our monthly marketing, where AFE is sourcing companies and groups and introducing our members to key decision makers on a monthly basis. This marketing is both optional and flexible, so you're never locked into any ongoing expense or time commitment. Our Silver membership runs $299 a year and includes access to the monthly marketing program, use of our logos, marketing materials and branding, and retainership of any company or group sourced by us. Many new advisors with limited marketing budgets and those looking simply to volunteer their time opt for this level. Gold membership is $699 and adds access to our full library of more than 150 turnkey presentations. Platinum membership is $999 a year and includes all the previously mentioned benefits, plus an unlimited nonprofit direct mail discount, along with certified financial education instructor designation. As for materials, our workshop library consists of more than 150 presentations, many of which are FINRA reviewed. However, members are always welcome to use their own firm-branded and approved materials. Additionally, AFE members can offer every workshop or webinar attendee an opportunity for a complimentary one-on-one consultation, where you can then advise them on their personal finances. Over time, many AFE members become the go-to financial expert for entire companies and organizations. Our membership team is always available to answer questions and help you decide if AFE is a fit for your goals and your practice. If the idea of building your brand and your book of business while giving back to your community sounds interesting, reach out to us today.